Going to learn about the treatment of income and expenses pertaining to specific fund. First, we should know the meaning of fund. Fund, also known as a reserve. What do you mean by reserve? It is an amount set aside from the profit of the business to adjust unforeseen losses. Okay, what is specific fund? Specific fund also is an amount set aside from the profit of the business to adjust particular loss or particular expense. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the specific fund. Look at the board. Treatment of income and expenses relating to the specific fund. How will the following appears in final accounts of a club for the year ended 31st March 2018? Prize fund is given. Prize fund is a liability. Prize fund is a liability. Prize fund is a liability, value 60,000. Next, prize fund investment is an asset. Prize fund investment is an asset. Prize fund is a liability, prize fund investment is a asset. Okay. Now, interest on prize fund investment rupees 6,000. We received interest because of prize fund investment. What happened? Our prize fund will increase. So, we have to add interest on prize fund. Interest on prize fund, its value 6,000. It will increase our prize fund. If prize fund is not given, this interest on prize fund will be credited to the income. If prize fund is given, the interest on prize fund should be added with the prize fund. If prize fund is not given, the interest on prize fund should be recorded as income. Okay. Next, price distributed. It is an expense. If prize fund is not given, it should be debited to the income and expenditure account. It should be recorded in the expenditure account. Here, prize fund is given, so price distributed should be deducted from the prize fund. Price distributed, value 8,000. Balance 58,000. Here, prize fund is given, so interest on prize fund added with the prize fund. If prize fund is not given, it will be recorded in the income side. Price distributed given, at the same time prize fund also given. So, we have to deduct the price distributed from the prize fund. If it is not given, prize fund is not given, it will be recorded as a expenditure. Okay, next one. Donation received for prize fund. It is a receipt, so we have to add with the prize fund. Donation received for prize fund. Its value 12,000. Students, here prize fund already created, so any interest on prize fund should be added with the prize fund. It should not be recorded as a income. If prize fund is not given, it will be recorded as a income. Price distributed, at the same time prize fund also given, so price distributed should be deducted from prize fund. If it is not given, the price distributed should be recorded as expenditure. Okay. Next, look at the problem number 2. Match fund. Match fund credit balance 24,000. So, match fund is a liability. Match fund is a liability. Its value 24,000. Match fund is a liability, 24,000. Receipts to the match fund rupees 26,000. So, receipt means income. So, we have to add receipts from match fund. Receipts to the match fund was rupees 26,000. Total 50,000. Here match fund is given, at the same time receipts from match fund also given. So we have to add with the match fund. If match fund is not given, the receipts from match fund should be recorded as a income. It will appear in the income side. Okay. Next, match expenses incurred during the year 33,000. So match expenses we have to deduct. Match expenses we have to deduct. Value 33,000. So balance Match expenses should be deducted from match fund. If match fund is not given, the match expenses should be recorded as a expenditure. It will not come to the liability. Then look at the problem number 3. Tournament fund 90,000. Tournament fund rupees 90,000. Tournament fund rupees 90,000. Tournament fund investment also 90,000. Fund investment is asset. Tournament fund investment, it is an asset. Next, interest on tournament fund investment. It is a receipt. We should not record as a income. It should be added with the tournament fund. If tournament fund is not given, the interest on tournament fund investment recorded as a income. Yes, interest on tournament fund investments. Interest on tournament fund investment, its value rupees 9,000. Next, donation to the tournament fund. It is a receipt, should be added with the tournament fund. Donation to tournament fund. Donation to tournament fund, how much? 10,000 rupees. Next, tournament expenses. Since the tournament fund is given, we have to deduct the tournament expenses from the tournament fund. If tournament fund is not given, the tournament expenses debited in the income and expenditure account, which means it appeared in the expenditure side. Yes, minus tournament expenses value 60,000. Students, in this class we discussed about the treatment of income and expenditure pertaining to the specific fund. Here what they are saying, if there is a specific fund, the particular expenses should be added with the fund. It should not be recorded as an expenditure. If there is any receipt on the particular fund, it should not be recorded as an income. It should be added with the particular fund. Students, today we completed income and expenses relating to the specific fund. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.